Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love Spam Musubi but want something a little more fun and easy to eat, you're in for a treat today. We're putting a twist on the classic Hawaiian favorite and turning it into a special Spam Musubi. This dish combines all the delicious elements you love: crispy Spam, tender rice, and savory toppings. Served easy for a cozy, satisfying meal. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need: cooked sushi rice, a can of Spam, soy sauce, Nori, Furikake, and a little bit of Japanese mayonnaise to bind it all together. You can easily customize this dish with your favorite toppings, but this combo is a winner. Now, let's assemble. Start with a generous scoop of warm sushi rice. This is the base of our dish. You want the rice to be sticky, so it holds everything together. Top it off with the crispy Spam. A sprinkle of Furikake. And a little bit of Japanese mayonnaise to make it creamy. The Spam is crispy, the rice is perfectly sticky, and all the toppings bring it together in the best way possible. For a little extra flair, you can even add some pickled vegetables like radish or cucumber for that tangy crunch. Doesn't that look amazing? It's the perfect balance of salty, savory, and a little bit of crunch. Everything you love about Spam Musubi. And there you have it, your very own Spam Musubi. Finally, don't forget the Nori. Tear it into strips and add it on top for that perfect seaweed flavor. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this twist on a Hawaiian classic. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and leave a comment letting me know how you'd customize your Spam Musubi. See you next time, and happy cooking!